Hi, I'm Glenda, and I'm an occupational therapist, and I'm here to show you how to use your TheShoeDon. Step one would be get the shoe. Now my shoe has this little rise right here. So what I do is I take my TheShoeDon with the little lip and I comfortably just slide it over the back of the heel. Some shoes it's going to come up pretty far. On this shoe, it's just the right size. The next thing I'm going to do is cross my leg, start my foot into the shoe. I'm going to set it on the floor and just slide my foot. Voila. And then when I'm done, slide it out. Just that simple. You want to see it again? Sure. Here's the other shoe. Here's the lip. Slide it over the shoe. You can even do it with the shoe already on the floor if you prefer. And just like that, it's on, and then you can remove it. If you didn't want to cross your leg to remove it, get off. You just lip it right here, and it comes right off. Ready for your next time. Thank you. I hope you enjoyed our informative video, and say hello to Bailey, the little beagle puppy.